First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to all of those who have subscribed. Thank you. I know I haven't really been checking in, but I saw that I passed 100 subscribers now. It might not be a big feat too much. It might not be a big accomplishment too much, but honestly, it's just amazing to see the channel grow. I know I haven't really been on top of it. I did miss out on a week. I mean, I just posted one video. But just honestly, just thank you to all of my subscribers. I guess I have a following, and just know that I am going to be putting out more content out. But as far as right now, just want to give a thanks to all of you guys who have been seeing the videos, subscribing. I know that the video that has been popping off, or the one that has been getting a lot more views, has been the Alaska video, and that was such a great project to work on. I do wish to do more projects of that nature, but I it's kind of hard to do those kind of videos while doing a full-time job. And just thank you to all those who have subscribed from my early videos back 4 or 5 years ago to now my most recent videos that I've been posting recently. Just thank you. Um, it's just something, a nice feat to accomplish. And just thank you. I'm going to keep working on videos. I'm going to keep working on projects. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I mean, I don't really ask of it on any of my videos recently. I don't really ask of you to subscribe. I just, if you want to subscribe, go ahead. If not, just keep watching, anonymously or whatever, or if you do want to keep watching or not. But just thank you to those who have subscribed and have pushed the channel over 100 subscribers now. You know, just thank you. Just see you in the next one. If you want to, go ahead, hit that button, like the video. It really, makes me feel good when I see. So it doesn't, pay anything right now. Maybe anytime soon, but it just makes me feel good. So thank you. Have a good one. Peace.